Hello, I'm J.W. Peters with Solar Power of Oklahoma, and today we're going to talk about the PTO process, or the permission to operate. So this video is going to be geared more towards our new customers, but we want to be able to walk you through that process to let you know what it's going to take for us to be able to get permission to operate your system after we've installed. Keep in mind, this process can take between 30 and 45 days for the utility to give us permission to turn your system on. I know that after we've installed your system, a lot of our customers are ready to turn it on and start to see that savings, and we understand that wholeheartedly. Most of this timing is out of our hands, so I just wanted to be able to explain the steps and what will happen to be able to get to that process. So if you live in a city that requires inspections, a building inspection, electrical inspection, we have to get those from your city first. Once we have those inspections, we can put that with the rest of our paperwork and turn that into your utility company. The utility company then is going to come out and do their own inspection. They're going to come out and make sure that it's labeled properly, that there's a proper disconnect, all the things that they require for us to be able to interconnect with their system. And then once that is approved, then they're going to come out and they're going to either replace your meter, or they're going to reprogram your meter to be able to allow for net metering. So keep in mind, this process can take between 30 and 45 days. Some utilities are better than others that take only maybe 10 or 15 days, but unfortunately some utilities actually take longer than the 45 days. But keep in mind, we're pushing every day to be able to get your permission to operate your system so you can start seeing your savings as quickly as possible. So if you have any other questions, or if you want to learn more about solar, please go to our website or go to our YouTube channel to learn more.